So friends, the process that I will show in today's video is the problem of AnyDesk. The problem of AnyDesk license. So I will show you how to show it. So just if you click on AnyDesk, you will see that it is taking about 20 seconds. So this is a harassment, a problem. So you can get a solution from this problem very easily. We will see that. Just on your computer, just write Windows here and click to on the keyboard Windows and give it here. You will type very easily. Just double PFD and give it to OK. Here there's the roaming option. Just double click on roaming. Here I have the old AnyDesk. See here the AnyDesk. Just here you will rename this AnyDesk. We are just writing the AnyDesk here and after. LD. Okay. Now I will open the old AnyDesk that I have again. After just opening, we can see here that none of my previous AnyDesk connections are here. Yeah. It has been completely refreshed. So now I will send a request to AnyDesk shop. If I send the request, I will no longer have that problem. We will get the ID of an AnyDesk. Say L3. Say 89. And press enter. I will no longer have that problem. Now it is requested by me. See, please wait for the remote site to accept your session request. Now, this problem has been solved for me. See, I have been remotely connected. Now I can see that I can easily accept my clients on other sites. So in this way, you can solve the AnyDesk problem. So I hope you understand. If you like the video, then definitely like the video and share it with your friends. And those who haven't subscribed to our channel yet, definitely subscribe to the channel. Stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.